Nifty has rebounded exactly from the 23,400 support zone. Crude oil has fallen sharply and Gift Nifty is showing a positive start. But FIS are still selling and the rupee remains weak. So today's big question is, will Nifty cross 23,800 and move towards 24,000, or will sellers again become active near resistance? Let's understand the complete market setup. Hello everyone, welcome to Market Hours India. Yesterday, Indian markets closed on a mildly positive note. Nifty closed above 23,659, gaining around 41 points. As we discussed in yesterday's pre-market analysis, Nifty rebounded strongly from 23,400 support zone, showing that buyers are still active at lower levels. Sensex closed near 75,318, while Bank Nifty also supported the move and closed around 53,562. Another positive factor was India VIX, cooling off by nearly 2%, which shows that fear in the market has reduced slightly. On the global front, the setup is supportive. US markets closed positive, European markets also ended higher, and Asian markets are trading on a positive note this morning. In index futures, Gift Nifty is trading around 23,800, indicating a positive start for Indian markets. US futures are flat to slightly negative, while European and Asian futures are trading positive. A major global trigger is crude oil. Brent crude fell sharply by nearly 6% to around 104 US dollar per barrel after the US president said talks with Iran are in final stages. This is positive for Indian markets. Another important update is from the Strait of Hormuz. The UAE's new crude pipeline bypassing the Strait of Hormuz is around 50% complete. From the US economy side, a majority of Fed Reserve officials warned that interest rates may need to be raised again if inflation remains above 2% target. This is negative for global liquidity and can keep the dollar strong. On the technology space, Nvidia posted record quarterly revenue of $81.6 billion supported by AI spending boom. This shows that the global AI theme continues to remain strong. On the Indian macro side, the rupee remains under pressure. The 1 year dollar rupee forward rate crossed 100 for the first time, while in the spot market, the rupee closed around 96.83 after touching nearly 96.96 intraday. RBI will conduct a $5 billion rupee swap auction on May 26, which may help manage dollar liquidity and reduce pressure in the currency market. India's core sector output grew 1.7% year on year in April, improving from 1.2% in March. Growth was supported by stronger electricity generation and cement production. This is mildly positive signal for the economy. Coming to institutional activity, FIS sold around 1500 crore in cash market while DIA supported the market with buying of around 1900 crore. In futures and options positioning, FIs are still overall bearish, but yesterday they sold more puts than calls, which indicates some short term bullish positioning. Proprietary traders are almost perfectly hedged. Clients are bullish overall, but yesterday's positions were slightly bearish. Option chain shows 23,500 as strong support and 24,000 as strong resistance. Between these two levels, the option chain is not giving a very clear directional signal, so price action will be more important today. On the technical side, 23,600 is the key level to watch. As long as Nifty holds above 23,600, the recovery can continue. The first major hurdle is 23,800. If Nifty gives a decisive move above 23,800, bulls may gain strength and the next upside target can be 24,000. And the downside 23,500 to 23,400 remains the important support zone. If this zone breaks, the market may again turn weak. The overall view for today is cautiously positive, supported by global cues, lower crude, positive gift nifty, and cooling India VIX. But FIA cash selling, weak rupee, and resistance near 24,000 should not be ignored. Key levels for today support at 23,600, 23,500, 23,400 levels, resistance at 23,800 and 24,000 levels. Trade carefully, follow your risk management, and avoid chasing the first move. That's it for today's pre-market analysis. Thank you for watching Market Hours India. If you found this video useful, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for daily market updates. See you in next video.